Get ready to learn how you can create amazing art pieces like this, or even this with just a few simple prompts in Hotpot. Hotpot is an amazing platform that harnesses the power of AI to help you create stunning and unique pieces of art. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Hotpot AI is and how it works, helping you to create stunning visuals and graphics effortlessly. Hotpot AI is an innovative tool designed to help non-designers create professional quality graphics and images. Whether you need to design social media posts, marketing materials, or personal projects, Hotpot AI has you covered. Hotpot AI leverages artificial intelligence to simplify the design process. It offers a range of tools and templates that allow anyone to create eye-catching visuals without any prior design experience. Access a wide variety of templates for different purposes, from social media graphics to marketing materials. Easily customize templates with your own text, images, and colors to fit your brand or personal style. Use AI to enhance images, remove backgrounds, and even generate unique graphics from scratch. The user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to start designing, regardless of their technical skills. Start by selecting a template that suits your project needs. Use Hotpot AI's intuitive tools to add your own text, images, and color schemes. Leverage AI features to polish your design, such as background removal or image enhancement. Once you're satisfied with your design, download it and share it across your platforms. Quickly create professional designs without spending hours learning complex design software. Save money by not needing to hire a professional designer for every project. Perfect for individuals, small businesses, and marketers looking to improve their visual content. Ready to take your designs to the next level? Try Hotpot AI today and see the difference it can make in your creative projects. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more AI tools and tips, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions.